book.
Huh?
What's wrong, Dada?
Now I remember. I borrowed the book from the library.
When?
About 28 years ago.
You're only supposed to keep them for a week.
Dada Go.
Mya and Dada Go are bringing the book back to the library.
I love the library. So many exciting stories in one place.
I like it too. It's the most relaxing, peaceful place in every day.
Please, one at a time.
Are you okay, Edward?
Oh, hello. Not really. My assistant librarian has a day off today, so I'm all alone. First things first. Are you returning this book, Dada Go?
Well, yes, but, you see, it's,
My goodness. This was due back in 1988.
Yes. Sorry about that.
Well, not to worry. Better late than never, I say. It's closing time.
Before you close, could I borrow a book to bring home?
Of course, Dada. Which book?
The, bird-watching book? I never actually got round to reading it when I was a boy, and, well, it looks really good.
Okay, Dada Go. You can borrow it. But this time, remember to bring it back next week.
And not next century.